It's like Christmas to me now. Unwrapping and... oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Pandan chicken. So let's start cooking. We're now going to prepare the marinade for the Pandan chicken. Inside my Magimix food processor, I'll be adding in 2 stalks of lemongrass using only the white stem, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 pieces of shallots, as well as 12 grams of young ginger. I'll just put everything in. I'll be adding in also 15 grams of palm sugar. If you do not have palm sugar, you can always use brown sugar or regular granulated sugar. Add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you do not have fish sauce, you can always use soya sauce. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And finally, add in 2 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. We are going to blend everything together now. So once they are mixed up properly, we will use this and marinate the chicken. And this is how it looks like. So now we will marinate the chicken with this. I have with me over here 420 grams of chicken thigh meat. You can always use chicken breast or even chicken fillet if you want to. Cut them into bite sizes like this, and we'll marinate this now. Pour in the marinade. This is going to be so flavorful. All this beautiful marinade is going to be soaked up by the chicken. And we'll need also 2 coriander roots lightly smashed up to impart the flavor into this marinade. So normally I like to use my hand for this. Make sure you wash your hand before you mix it up. Now after we mix it up, we'll put them in the fridge covered and let them marinate for at least 2 hours. Of course, the longer you marinate, the more flavorful this will be. I'll see you back in a while. Now I'm going to wrap the Pandan chicken. I've already wrapped up a few. Let me show you how it looks like when it's done. Like this. And I'll show you how to do it now. Grab a piece of the pandan leaf, flatten it out a little bit, like this. Use your thumb to press it down. Make sure that it's flexible so that it's easier to wrap. Now, the end part will always point to the left, about 4 inches. Fold it up like this, so that the left will now point to your right. As you can see, the end of the stalk is now on top of the other leaf. This is how it looks like behind, and this is how it looks like in front. There's a small pocket over here. This is where we will put the chicken in. So take a piece of the chicken, put it in this pocket. Now for the end of the leaf over here, we'll fold this down, turn to the other side, and over here we will just slot this part up like this. Just secure it, and it's done. Very simple, very easy. There will be a cross like this so that the meat won't drop out. Okay, you can tighten it a little bit by pulling this end up like this. So if you want a shorter leaf on the part, just snip them off. Okay, like this. Very simple. So this is how it looks like when it's done. I'll show you how to do this one more time. So same thing, flatten up the leaf, flatten it up, turn it to the other side. Okay, make sure that it's flexible so that it's easier for you to wrap the chicken in it. Left side will overlap over here, just to form a small packet or small pocket, like this. Now if your leaf is too short, do just keep just a small part of the leaf up here. Put the chicken in, like this. Now we'll turn this part of the leaf down, turn to the other side, and then just push it up through the knot. Okay, just adjust it a little bit so that it will not drop out. Okay, so this is how we do it. So I'll finish the last piece and then we'll go and deep fry this. So now we're going to deep fry the chicken. Make sure that the oil is hot. We'll see bubbles rising from the bamboo stick I'm holding. That means the oil is hot enough. We will fry them now. Don't overcrowd the pan. I have 16 pieces over here, so I'm just going to do approximately 5 pieces at a time. The heat I'm using is at medium heat. Do not turn the heat up too high because when we marinate the chicken we use sugar. Otherwise it will burn too fast. If you do not want to deep fry this, you want to air fry them, no problem. Turn the heat up to 180 degrees Celsius and just air fry them for approximately 15 minutes or so. When you deep fry them, you can actually smell the beautiful aroma coming out from the pandan leaves. We will fry 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. If you were to eat this dish in a Thai restaurant, let's say for example in Singapore, easily 5 pieces will cost you about $10 Sing. I made 16 pieces of this. Altogether I spent about $4.50 around there. So to make this at home, this is really worth it. Smells really great. Right, you can see that the chicken is turning a very nice golden brown. It's almost done already. And as you can see, there's a lot of bubbles that's rising up. We just need to reduce the bubbles a little bit. And this will be so good. The important thing to remember is every time before you cook the chicken or deep fry the chicken, you need to place them at room temperature first. As you can see, they're brown on the outside already. This is pretty much done. I'm just going to remove them from heat and fry the second batch. This is one of our favorite dish every time we go to a Thai restaurant. Ever since I know how to do this, we will never order this outside again. So I'll continue to do the rest and I'll show you how it looks like after we are done. And now we're done with our cooking, so let's just give this a taste. It's like Christmas to me now. Unwrapping and oh my god. It's like a flavor explosion in the mouth. This is really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Wow, 香，真的很香哎！
你给我的。
哇
Don't finish it.
Huh?
Don't finish it.
Still have 哇，好吃。